At Thermo Fisher Scientific, everything we do is driven by our mission to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. And based on discussions with our customers and government leaders, we see an opportunity to put additional focus on advancing that mission close to home. We start with an awesome, industry-leading set of manufacturing and innovation capabilities. And over the next 4 years, Thermo Fisher is proud to be investing an additional $2 billion in the United States, expanding our manufacturing base, accelerating research and development, and most importantly, investing in our colleagues. In less than 10 years, we've nearly doubled our U.S. workforce. Today, we have over 50,000 U.S. colleagues supporting research, production, and innovation. And as we look at the scientific opportunities and promise before us, this is just the beginning.
Thermo Fisher's commitment to U.S. manufacturing reflects our confidence that America will continue to lead the world in science and innovation. Thermo Fisher is proud to serve as a growth engine for the American economy. By expanding our U.S. operations, we ensure that life-saving medicines and therapies will continue to be developed and produced in America for decades to come.
This is a commitment to supply chain resilience, good jobs, and U.S. leadership in life sciences. The result will be strengthening our global presence and reach. Investing in science and innovation in America means healthier lives, stronger communities, and a more hopeful future for everyone.